I'm going to show you how to replace text in Photopea. Start by going to photopea.com and creating a new project. Once you have your image loaded, find the Layers panel on the right side of the screen and locate the text layer you want to edit. Double-click on the T icon in the text layer. This will allow you to type in new text directly. If you'd like to adjust the style, such as font or size, select the text layer, then open the character toolbox. Look for the icon with a large and small T. Here, you can customize the font, size, color, and other styling options to fit your needs. Another way to edit text is by simply double-clicking the text layer directly on the canvas, just like this. So basically that's it.